I study French language. She plays golf on weekends. He helps his friend with homework. We have a barbecue party in the backyard. They clean their room every day. The river meanders through the valley. The waves crash onto the beach. The plane takes off with a roar. My brother plays the drums. The children laugh and play together. I wear a jacket in the winter. She teaches English to foreign students. He exercises at the gym regularly. We listen to music in the car. They swim in the pool during the summer. The moon rises in the evening sky. The stars shine brilliantly at night. The computer screen displays the website. My friend tells interesting stories. The baby giggles and claps her hands. I check my social media accounts. She writes poems in her notebook. He takes the subway to work. We meet our friends for brunch. They enjoy playing video games together. The sun sets behind the mountains. The birds build nests in the trees. The baby crawls across the floor. The teacher gives a math lesson. My sister plays the saxophone. I drink tea in the afternoon. She practices her karate moves. He fixes a broken door. We go to the beach on weekends. They practice basketball skills. The rain nourishes the plants and flowers. The wind rustles the leaves on the trees. The train departs from the station on time. My brother plays video games competitively. The children share their toys with others. I cook dinner for my family every evening. She listens to music while studying. He plays soccer with his friends. We celebrate holidays with our relatives. They enjoy gardening and growing vegetables. The river flows steadily towards the ocean. The waves crash against the sandy beach. The plane lands safely at the airport. My parents take care of me and my siblings. The cat hunts for birds in the garden.